Hey y'all, it is room tour time. I just got to Baja. I am staying at the Reserve at the Grand Hyatt. This is where you walk in at. So this is what you see when you walk in. Here is the guest bathroom for your guest. I'm not going to have any guests. Dining room, living room. There is a patio. I would walk out there, but there is not ocean view, so I figured I'd skip that. Let's check the fridge. It's got a Keurig. It's got a fully stocked fridge with, oh, they even have Fireball. So yeah, it's got a little bit of everything in there. And then they've got some snacks here. Now we'll walk into the bedroom. So everything's very white, very light. Let's see, what do we got here? Safe. Thought there might be a robe, but no. I'll come in here. Beautiful bathtub. Lovely. Double sinks. And then let's check out this shower. Oh! 1, 2, 3. So 3 shower heads. Okay, and then of course a toilet room. So there you go. This is a room at the Reserve at Grand Hyatt at Baja.